If you're looking to make your music infinitely long, then this is the video for you. I'm going to be showing you how to use this brand new AI tool within DaVinci Resolve Studio that gives you the ability to literally extend music to whatever length that you want. My name's Dan, you're watching DanVinci, and let's jump into it. So I'm in the edit page right now, and up here I've got my track that I want to extend. So I'm just going to drag this in now. So I've cut down the track to a particular length that I like, and then what we want to do is go over into the inspector, which is in the top right. It's just this little tab right here, and dying. We want to go down to right here, AI Music Editor. Now, if you don't have the studio version, unfortunately, you won't be able to see this. You can adjust this in two different ways. You can use the target length. At the minute, it's 24 seconds, but let's make that 60 seconds. Quick adjust, it'll do its magic, hopefully. There you go. And as you can see, it's made these little, I don't know, stitches, I guess. That's what I call them, just along here. If we play this now, that is pretty impressive. It's absolutely seamless. Other than the repetition, you will not be able to tell. So really, really impressive. Well done, like magic. The cool thing about this is it gives you 4 different versions. So you can just go away and click these different versions. So for example, with version 1, I found that that's quite repetitive, this section here. This one for the ravers, this one for the ravers. This one for the ravers. So there's a lot of repetition there. So you can actually change the versions in the inspector and just like that, a completely different version without the repetition. I'm now going to show you the live trim tool. This is the entire music track, right? And imagine if we needed it to be, let's say, this long. If we go into the inspector, back to the AI music editor, if you click live trim now, and then you'll see the icon, drag it out to whatever length. So let's say I want it to be about 4 minutes long, which is about double what the song track is. Just give it a moment. And the next part of this video that I was actually planning on explaining to you guys actually fixes this glitch. So if you get this glitch, then the next step will solve it. Bizarre glitch, basically the music just sort of just cuts out randomly. It shouldn't do this. If you want to edit the individual parameters of each individual cut or stitch in this case, you just right click on it and go to decompose in place using clips only. And then what it does is converts that AI extension into traditional cuts, something very similar to what you would do manually. And funnily enough, it fixes the bug. You might want to fix that, Black Magic, although I might not be on the latest version. Hang on. I'm not quite on the latest version. They might have fixed this. Please don't judge me, guys. But anyway, guys, that is a very, very simple tutorial. I wanted to do something really easy and really simple. Big thanks to all the love and support on my last video. I'll be covering more 3D camera stuff if you guys are interested, so do get subscribed. And if you found this little mini tutorial helpful, then also, get subscribed, because the more the merrier. Anyway, my name's Dan, you've watched DanVinci, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.